Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake, so check it out. Alright, so whenever I have a chicken carcass, I make a bone broth. I just add a bunch of vegetables. But this time my chicken carcass was a little light, so I added three chicken drumsticks. I'm just fishing them out. They've done their job, and now I think I'm gonna smoke them and then make some smoked chicken tacos. What is that last one there? Yeah, there you are. Alright, I'll get a little seasoning on these. They're basically just poached chicken legs right now. Put a little bit of Slap Ya Mama. This is a white pepper blend. It's got a little bit of kick. And I'll get these on the smoker. I'm using maple wood today for smoking. Poultry, you don't have to smoke that long, and this chicken's completely cooked all the way through. So we're just going to give it a little kiss of maple wood smoke. Probably, I'll just let it go for an hour.
Alright, so I smoked the heck out of these chicken legs, and we're just going to put them in some taco shells and have Appies with Chappy by the lake. Some pickled jalapenos, fresh tomatoes, and a little bit of cheese. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I got my smoked chicken tacos and we just need a drink to go with it. I call this a Canadian Libre. So a Cuba Libre is just lime, Coke, and rum. So I got the lime and the Coke, and then to make it a Canadian Libre, I got some maple moonshine. A good 2 ounces of my maple moonshine. And then I'm gonna do the juice from half a lime. And then I'm just gonna finish it off with your favorite cola beverage. And then I got a nice lime wedge as a garnish. And that's my Canadian Libre to go with my smoked chicken tacos. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.